Bill, so what are you doing? What is all of these things?
We just
you've
got 50 of our Honda manual four-wheel drive actuators in from our machine shop.
50 Honda manual actuators?
50 of them. Now we have 30,
Can we ship them out?
30 something of them sold already though.
Okay.
This is just the first order. There's more coming.
And how long will the
but
others
right
be?
The other ones probably won't be here for maybe a month, maybe a little more than a month. But we got 50, 30 something sold, so there's some more available right now.
Okay.
So-
but we could
so
send
that-
these out today, is that what you're saying?
No, we need the
Oh, we can't send
we
them
need
out
the
today.
tank levers still. We're
And-
waiting on the tank levers to come in. From
And
the
today
machine
is
shop.
Friday, May 29th. When do you expect the other stuff in? The tank levers for the Honda?
1 week.
In 1 week. So
In 1 week.
these things should be shipped to everybody within a week or so. One to 2 weeks at the max.
You want to see
Yeah.
the rest of them? So
Let's
this
see,
that
what
I
does it
just
look
took
like?
the screws out. This is exactly how you'll receive it.
Right.
You know, we're going to inspect every one of these right now.
Johnny,
This is
people don't have all day, so you tell
The
us.
inside of it.
I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
This bearing you'll put this bearing in there, and that'll go
Right.
in there. An O-ring goes around here. This part rotates to go from this line lined up here is your two-wheel drive. Rotates to four-wheel drive. It's kind of difficult to do it with my fingers because of the spring. That'll be your four-wheel drive notch when it gets here. Rotates around, and that's it.
Wow.
This goes into the differential. Another O-ring around here. Your cable goes into here.
I love it. I love it. All right.